In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can use voice control on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to open settings on your iPhone, and then you have to scroll through until you find this option that says accessibility. Click this option. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll down. You'll find voice control under physical and motor. You simply have to search for this option that says voice control and click it. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click set up voice control. Click this option. Now it's going to pop up with this window, and on this window you can choose your language by clicking over here. Once you do so, click tick over here, and then you have to click continue. Now you can see here you have a few commands that you can say. Click done once you're done with reading these. Now you can see my voice control is now turned on. And now I can use this voice control feature to control my iOS device even when I'm on a call. And that's how you do it.